I've discovered one of the best niches to create faceless AI videos. And it's one of those niches that there are not a lot of people that know about it. So you're watching this video, you are going to be one of the first people that are going to know it. And probably if you follow what I teach here in this video, you will start earning some money creating faceless videos. These videos doesn't require a lot of work and are basically Amazon reviews. So this is the niche, creating faceless videos for Amazon products. And this is awesome because I've been looking at these channels, for example, that if I click here for the more popular videos that the channel has created, now we can see that there are some videos with 60,000 views or 30,000 views or 28,000 views, 10,000 views, etc. And these are quite easy if you follow what I'm going to teach in this video to create. So they are super easy to create, and it's super easy because to create these kind of videos, probably you just need like images from the product, like in the video we are watching right here, a little bit of transitions, some videos about the product that you can find in YouTube, or maybe you can find it in Amazon from other people reviews or from the main product that has uploaded the videos, etc. Applying a little bit of edition, and it's going to be super quick, super easy. And the best thing is that you can monetize from YouTube ads, you can monetize from products and companies sponsoring your YouTube videos, and the best part is from Amazon affiliates. So if we go to the description here, we will see that here we have like the best choices for external hard drives, and each one of these choices has an Amazon link. So here we will see the Amazon link. And if we look at the bottom of the video here at the bottom, we will see that we have a special URL. And this URL is basically an Amazon affiliate URL. So from everyone that clicks here, goes to Amazon and clicks on buying this product, this person is going to earn like a special commission from it. So it's not going to be that high, but if we calculate that this video has 60,000 views and probably 100 people, 200 people has bought from him, maybe he has been able to earn up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 euros just from Amazon affiliates. And then we have to count also for the YouTube AdSense and everything, and for every video we create. So how we can do this? The first thing I would go is just searching on Google for Amazon affiliates, going to the website from Amazon affiliates, that it's this affiliate/program.amazon.com. And here they explain basically everything. You just sign up, start recommending products, and then you earn up to 10% in each product. So this is a quite generous commission because, for example, if we are going to do like a product that costs 100 euros and then we apply the 10% commission, we are going to earn 10 euros from each product. So this is quite nice. Then once we do the sign up and then we fill all the details and everything, we start getting our Amazon links, then we have to create the products. To create the products, this is quite straightforward. How I would do it is I would go to a website that is called videotalk.app. Here in videotalk.app, we can create faceless videos using AI, and we can create like vertical videos or horizontal videos. So that's super nice. So here in the website, they explain everything, but we are going to enter on it because I already have an account. So I will click on create video, or at the top in the website, I could go to create. Here, then I can sign in. And once we sign in, we are already inside the product. So here I have all my videos that I've been creating. And here at the center, I could ask, best SSD from Amazon. So this is just my instruction here. And then I can select the aspect ratio to be vertical or horizontal with Google Images or real images and stock videos, the language, and also the voice style. The good thing is that if you speak in Spanish like me, or you speak French or German or any other language, you can create the videos also in those languages. But we are going to just create them in English. I'm going to use this Adam US voice in vertical, but then I'm going to do something else. So I'm going to go to Google and search for the best external SSDs from Amazon. Then I found this link before, like here on the bottom. I would click on it, and here this is a website that is already explaining which are the best SSDs in 2024. And these ones are all from Amazon. They have some explanations and everything about the product, so we don't have to be experts about those products and know, okay, which products am I going to recommend or anything. I'm just going to use this link. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go to Videotok. After my instruction, I'm going to paste the link. So here you can see that I have pasted this link. So best SSD from Amazon and the link. And now I can click on generate video. Now the AI from Videotok, it's going to read the whole article that we have pasted, and it's going to analyze it and create the script for us. So we don't have to be the expert about which are the best SSDs or read all of them, etc. So here, for example, here we have just our script. So one lightning fast storage, here are the best SSDs on Amazon, and I'm going to change it a bit from 2024 or in 2024. So we can change the script and everything. Then we have the Glacial X10 Pro. It's a top performer, offering blazing 2100 megabytes per second, speeds in a compact, durable package. On a budget, check out the SS key, external SSD, and then for premium storage, you have the SanDisk X10 Pro packs, a massive 4 terabytes, etc. So here we have the whole video created for us, talking about the 5 best SSDs that we got from this article. So I didn't have to read anything, I didn't have to think too much on the script or anything, but here we have the whole script. So if we want to modify anything or change the call to action or change the hook, the initial hook or anything, we can do it. Then I would click on accept, and now my video is already generating. Here at the bottom we can see that the video is generated. Here after 1 minute more or less, we will have our full video created with the voice, with the images, with everything, and then we can modify it. So we could modify which are the images, which are the videos, etc. So we can match it much better. But let's see which is the result. Great. So now we can see that we have this open video button. I can click on it, and here now it loads, and we have all the images, the voices, and everything. So we can watch it quite quick to the video, see what he has created for us and everything, and start seeing how we can modify and edit my whole video. First thing, I'm going to increase the speed so we can watch it faster, 1.5. We can add some music also to the video and everything. We can watch it quite fast, so we can see the first initial version, and then we can modify it in just a few minutes. Let's watch it.
Want lightning fast storage? Here are the best SSDs on Amazon in 2024. The Crucial X10 Pro is a top performer, offering blazing 2100 Mbps speeds in a compact, durable package. On a budget, check out the SSK external SSD. It's affordable and works with PCs, laptops, and game consoles. For premium storage, the SanDisk Extreme Pro packs a massive 4 TB and 2000 Mbps speeds in a rugged design. Need ultra portability? Kingston's XS2000 is tiny but mighty, with 2 TB and 2000 Mbps speeds. PS5 gamers, the WD Black P40 lets you play games directly from its 2 TB of high-speed storage. Remember.
Great, so here we can see that it has added all the images to our video, and if I go to the footage that we were seeing before in the video, here we will see all the matches that, like, between the images and the text that we are speaking and everything. So we see that every time it talks about a new SSD, it changes the image with the image from that SSD. So that's quite amazing. So we don't have to do much edit in this kind of videos or anything, but here we can do a lot of things. These images have like movement and everything. I can remove it if I don't like the movement, and we can add like transitions in batch. So I can go one by one, clicking here on the transition and add a transition, like fade transition to the first one, another slight transition to the next image, or I could go to the bottom here and add transitions on batch. So I could say like slide and wipe and fade and empty. So now the product it's going to add those 4 transitions to all my images, automatically, so I don't have to go one by one. So we would have a mix of all these transitions and also some images without any transition and just empty. So I'm going to click here on apply to all. I'm going to remove the transition from my first image because I don't want any transition. We will see that here now we have all the transitions in our images. So that's super good because we added a bunch of transitions without any effort. And there is even more because here we have this batch add background videos and it's the same. So we could go one by one clicking on which is a background for an image, or we could go here to the bottom, to the top and say, okay, I want some backgrounds. So I'm going to add these two backgrounds. I'm going to go for the dark black topographic and for the white. So we have contrast between apply to all. And now here, if I click on play, I'm going to remove noise. We have also backgrounds behind our images. So we have these transitions with the backgrounds, with the voice, with the speed and everything. And there is even more. So for example, if we want to move, change any captions or anything, we could click here on captions, change anything we want, or we can go to the font style and change it for other font styles. So here we have this font style, or I can modify which is the background color, which is the main color. So here we can modify lots of things. So with this orange, like more Amazon style and everything, change the number of words that we are going to show. And here we could change all our captions. So the positioning and everything also, which is the font size. So if we want to do it smaller and everything, or if we want to do it bigger, more things. So if we want to change images, videos, or anything, if we go back to our footage, we can click at the top here and search for other images, other videos, GIFs, or we can upload our own images or our own videos. Also, if we want to change the position from an image, like for example, if we go to the bottom at the top and we see this at the second 35, I can click here and scroll to the top or the bottom and move it where I want. So for example, if I want to start at this second, I would just click here. If I want to remove an image, I would click just on remove and delete. And if I want to add new images in on another position, for example, here at the second 29, I would click here, click on upload. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the article. So I would go here to the links in my article, search for the product maybe, or use this image. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, search for this product, search for images, and then we can use also this image. Yes. So if, for example, we want to use this image or we want to use another image, we can do it. Like, for example, I would click here, download the image, save. Now we have our image here. I could go back to Videotok, just add the image in this position. And here, if I go to the second 29, I would have also my image.
Storage.
And we can add the background also or remove backgrounds. So we can have some images with backgrounds and some images also without backgrounds. And we can modify everything. So if we want to download videos from YouTube, from other people or from Amazon or whatever, you can also upload them here and then just export the video. So I would click here at the top, export it. And then if I want to publish it on YouTube, I would go to the YouTube tab, click here on generate, and it will generate for me the titles, the descriptions, and the tags. So I don't even have to think about that. So here, for example, I would have just this title, the 5 fastest SSDs on Amazon in 2024. And this is just for a vertical video, but if we want to create horizontal videos also, we could go to create, and then here on the aspect ratio, I would select just 16:9 ratio and do the same. So it will generate the script for you. You can modify it and export the video and everything. So for me, this is one of the best niches that you can create videos for. So this channel, for example, it's already quite small, but just with these 500 subscribers that this channel has and this amount of views that it's getting from his videos, probably he's earning quite a good amount of money. This is not a really super saturated niche. So just try to create this kind of videos. Give a try to videotalk.app, and here in the description you will find also a coupon so you can have a discount in Videotok. Hope you like it. Leave any comments if you have any doubt or any question, and see you in the next video.